welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to take a look at Pixel Experience April 7th update for Redmi Note 5 Pro. And in this update they have added April security patch, and finally they have added face unlock. So the face unlock works really good and I haven't experienced any problems with it so far. But at first when I set up face unlock, the fingerprint scanner completely stopped working. But after a couple of reboots, it completely got fixed. And it has this beautiful animation on the lock screen for unlocking with face unlock. As you can see, the face unlock is really quick and it recognizes my face every time I turn on the screen. This is the normal Pixel Experience ROM and it doesn't have any features, so it's very stock. If you want any extra features, you should install Pixel Experience Plus or other custom ROMs. It has some simple features like dark mode scheduling and battery percentage. As you can see here, they have added the face unlock option in the security settings. And in here we do have the option to stay on the lock screen or unlock the screen with the face unlock. And in this ROM they've added the stock Android 11 screen recorder, but it's very laggy and it's missing some features. And of course this ROM has Pixel Launcher installed with the developer options activated in the home screen settings. There is also a grid option here that you can enable in the home settings. And you can access the grid options in the styles and wallpaper settings. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.